In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in ClickUp. Teamwork really does make everything smoother, and ClickUp gives you a single place to create, organize, and manage your team so you can collaborate, assign work, and keep everyone aligned. I'll walk you through creating a team, inviting members, and exploring a few built-in views that help with time, capacity, analytics, and priorities. Start by signing into ClickUp and choosing the workspace you want to use. You'll find your workspace selector in the top left. Once you're in the right space, look at the left-hand sidebar and locate the Teams section. Hover your mouse over Teams and you'll see a few options appear, including a plus button. Click that plus button, then choose Create Team. A setup panel will open where you can name your team. Pick something clear and recognizable so people instantly know what it's for, like marketing, support, or finance. You can also add a short description to highlight what the team does, such as its responsibilities or scope. This helps give your team an identity and sets expectations for anyone who joins later. If you want, upload a custom avatar or icon to visually brand the team. It makes it easier to spot at a glance. When your details look good, click Create Team to confirm. Right after you create the team, ClickUp will prompt you to add team members. If you're ready, you can add people now by selecting them from your workspace directory. If you'd rather get familiar with the team space first, choose Skip for now. Skipping doesn't lock you out of anything. You can always add members later in just a couple of clicks. Let's look around the team space and add members from there. First, open the Timesheet tab. This area is helpful for tracking time entries associated with your team's work. Click Add Member and select one or more people from the list. You'll see suggested members from your workspace, and you can add them instantly. This connects those users to your team so they can be assigned tasks, appear in reporting, and collaborate with everyone else. Timesheets are great when you need to understand where time is going, reconcile billable hours, or simply keep a record of effort across projects. If you don't manage time tracking, you can still use this tab to confirm that your team members can log time when needed. Next, switch to the Team tab. This is a straightforward roster of who's in the team. If you didn't add everyone earlier, click Add Member again and bring in more colleagues. You can also open individual profiles from here when you need to confirm a role, department, or other details, useful in larger organizations, or whenever you're delegating team management. Now, head over to Workload. This view helps you understand capacity by visualizing how much each member has on their plate. It's especially useful for avoiding over-assigning tasks and for spotting opportunities to rebalance work. Even if you're just getting started, it's good to know where this lives so you can come back to it once tasks begin to populate. From there, click into Analytics. This area provides insights into progress and trends over time. As your team gets tasks and activity, Analytics becomes a valuable snapshot for check-ins and status meetings. It's a great way to keep leadership or stakeholders informed without manually compiling reports. Next, open the Priorities tab. This is where you can make expectations crystal clear by linking tasks to your team and setting what matters most. Click Add Task to bring in relevant work. You can select existing tasks from your workspace. Pick items that your team owns or contributes to. Add a couple of tasks that represent ongoing work or important deliverables so the view starts to take shape. If you see prompts or recommendations, feel free to bring those in too. The idea is to centralize the work your team is responsible for. Once the tasks are added, use the available controls to draw attention to the most important items. Then set their priority. Click to assign a priority level, like urgent, so everyone understands what needs immediate focus. Clear priorities make your team more accountable, align day-to-day decisions, and reduce ambiguity. Repeat that process for the rest of your tasks, setting appropriate levels for each one. Over time, this becomes a living view of what's critical, what's next, and what can wait. At any point, you can return to the Teams area in the sidebar to see all the teams you've created and jump between them. This gives you a quick way to compare rosters, views, and activity across groups without digging through different parts of the app. To recap the essentials, you chose your workspace, opened the Teams section, created a new team with a clear name and description, and saved it. You saw how to skip adding members initially and then add them later from Timesheet or from the Team tab. You explored workload for capacity management, checked analytics for performance insights, and used the Priorities tab to add key tasks and mark them with priority levels like urgent. With those pieces in place, your team has a home base in ClickUp where collaboration stays organized, responsibilities are visible, and accountability is built right into the workflow. That's the complete process for how to create a team in ClickUp and start managing it effectively. It's quick to set up, easy to maintain, and powerful once your tasks and members are in place. If this walkthrough helped you get your team up and running, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.